Welcome back to Goshen Prepping, everybody. I'm glad you're here. Listen, most people think that survival depends on having expensive gear. No, not at all. In fact, what happens is lack of survival means you don't have access to things you need, like water, food, heat, etc. So today I'm going to go over 24 things, inexpensive things that you should get. These are the top priority to make sure you can survive. And you know what? I'll talk about each one. And if I can, I'll link them. Not everything here is linkable. But here's your homework. You ready? I want you to make a checklist. How many of these do you have out of these 24? Let's jump right into it. Number one is a tourniquet. Oh yeah, save your life. This one specifically is a Gen 7 cat from Military Issue. It's not a military one, but it's the same type of requirements. Will save your life. Next up is a way to start a fire. Lots of ways to do this. My favorite way is simply just getting lighters from Walmart. Now, you go to the camping section or outdoor section, they're expensive, but if you simply go through the checkout line, there's always a pack. It's like 8 or 10 in the pack for next to nothing, and we have a lot of these. That way, we can always use these to start a fire. Next up, make sure you have a good camping cookware set. Here's a real nice set that literally does everything for you. Very nice. And also, obviously, water is 100% essential. So here's a 100-pack of water purification tablets. These are great. And a type of biologicals that gets in your water. This will take care of it for you. Next up, which I cannot link for you, cash. You want to make sure you have lots of cash, $20 bills or below. Always have a lot of cash for emergencies to be able to, exchange or possibly buy gasoline, whatever you need at the last minute. Another absolute essential is Rayleigh's 6-inch emergency compression bandages. These are incredible. Essential for blood control, bleeding control. Make sure you have lots of these. Next up on the list, you can get them anywhere, zip ties. Make sure you get a wide variety. The big heavy-duty ones all the way down to the smaller ones. Come in handy for so many uses. And this one, I can't stress this enough. Look, it says I purchased it over 30 times. Yes. Key Nutrients Electrolyte Powder. You must have electrolytes, especially if you get into a dehydration situation. You will dump your potassium, and this will replace it for you. You don't want to end up with muscle cramps as you're bugging out or getting home. And speaking of bugging out or getting home, it's always good to have a pad of paper. Of course, a pen with it, or even better, a Sharpie, so you can leave notes and messages for someone in your party. And being able to see that paper at night, here we go, a Keychain work light. This is one of my favorite items. I love this. Not only is it a flashlight, but has lots of other tools built in, including being able to start a fire. This thing's amazing. And if you don't own this guy for only $7, well, this should be something top on your list. Next up, and you may not like this one at all, having an N95 mask. Yes, I know people, N95, but I'm talking about specifically for certain things in the past. I'm talking about for working. If you get caught into a situation in which there's like chemical dust put in the air, maybe like, some type of structure collapse, you'll certainly want to have this. Here's another essential for only $6, a 2-pack of emergency survival whistles. It does have this nice built-in compass. I'm not a big button compass fan, but you know what? On top of the whistles, why not have it? It's an extra feature. That's great. And that compass goes along perfectly with having maps. You don't necessarily have to buy maps. I do. I like the topographical ones, by the way. But you can go down to your local visitors bureau or welcome center. They always give them out for free. Get lots of them and be able to mark places where you can meet up or obviously go to if there's an emergency. And next up is a 15-inch flat pry bar. We have lots of these, and they come in so handy for so many things. For $14, do not pass up this item. Number 15, lots of soap. You pick what kind of soap you want. Dish soap, ivory soap, whatever, bar soap. Make sure you have lots of soap for hygiene too. It keeps you safe and healthy. Another one of my favorite items, we have an LED headlamp that's rechargeable. Lots of bright modes, and including red lights, which is perfect for nighttime. Rechargeable? Yes. Rechargeable, yes, because you can always get a solar charger. I have lots of these too, by the way. And it's nice because it has a built-in flashlight, built-in solar panels, everything to keep things like that nice and charged up. So how many of these items do you have so far? Are you keeping track? I hope so. Next up, paracord. Again, I'm not going to show a link for this. You can get paracord anywhere. Get lots of it. Different flavors and styles and colors. It's up to you, but has so many uses. These next three have a lot in common, but make sure you get these multi-packs so you can put them everywhere, in your house, in your car, in your bags. Emergency blankets with Mylar thermal blankets. These are nice. Here's a 10-pack. And a step up from that, make sure you have these also emergency sleeping bags. It works the same way, but totally envelops you, so that way you stay nice and warm, especially if you have to stay out overnight. And in addition, you can get these emergency survival tents. They're not full tents like you'd think of, but more like a tube tent, and that way you can keep all the elements off your head to keep warm in emergency situations. Here's a 4-pack. Get a 4-pack. Get lots of these. And by the way, with all three of these, It's lightweight material. They do tend to rip easy, so have a roll of duct tape. Duct tape is fantastic. Fixes that, fixes you, can be used medically, and can be used as a fire starter. Duct tape is awesome. And speaking of awesome, having eyesight is awesome too. Here's some clear safety glasses. It says for men, but you know what? They don't care. They can go on anybody's face. $10.99 for a multi-pack. Have lots of these too. You do not want to lose your vision in an emergency situation. And last, but certainly not least, tactical gloves. Love them, love them, love them. I use these all the time. Nice and warm, obviously. It keeps your hands so they don't get all roughed up. But speaking of roughing up, it has these on here. They call them knuckle protectors, and I'm sure that's what they're intended for. But having other uses for these knuckle protectors is even better. So again, I'll link all these below, by the way. Lots of items. You can click on the link and pick them up if you like. It always helps our channel out. We say thank you for that. But here's your homework. Ready? How many of these do you own? There's 24 items. Give me a number in the comments below. I'm curious to see. But even more so, after that, list some other items that you would add to this list. We want to make sure we have everything, and as a community, be prepared. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.